Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to be editing the website we created using the 10Web AI platform. So in the previous video we talked about creating a new website with a 10Web AI, and now we're going to edit that website as well, and we're going to look at some of the Elementor widgets, and we're going to look at some of the AI content generators as well. Before we begin, make sure you like and click that subscribe button and ring that notification bell for more updates, and without further ado, let's get started. So as mentioned before, 10Web AI is a website builder, and it uses AI to generate and customize your website. You can create a professional website without any coding knowledge, as everything is built for you. The 10Web AI does offer a free trial. It's not completely free. After the trial, you do need to subscribe to a paid plan to continue using the service. If you go into their website and go into the pricing platform page, you can see some of the pricing platforms that they have. They start at $10, $15, $23. That's just for a simple business website. Then they have e-commerce starting at $15 a month. So they offer different features. So for example, the cheapest website plan that you have starts at $10 a month. This is usually a $20 starting price, but for right now they do have some annual offers as well. If you were to pay monthly, it's a little bit more, so it makes more sense to sort of buy for annual as you get a bit more cheaper. But you get the drag and drop editor based on Elementor. You have the AI assistant, you have monthly visitors, and you have the search engine optimization as well. So you do have quite a lot. But to get started, there is a free trial, and you don't even need a credit card to get started as well. So we'll start with that. So what you want to do is go into the 10Web website, and you just want to look for the Generate Your Website button. The way the 10Web AI generator works, you want to click on Create a New Website with AI. And you just want to answer a few simple questions about your business, the type of website you want to create, and then 10Web AI will generate a website tailored for you, complete with content, images, and design. You can then customize your website to exact needs and using the drag and drop editor. So with getting started, you want to basically answer what kind of website you want to create. Is it an informational website, or are you wanting to create a website with an online store? We're just going to create a basic informational website and click next. And then you want to select the type of business, and you can see they've got a few options here. You can also type in the name of your business as well to kind of help narrow it down a little bit. But you basically just want to select a type of business from here and click next. Now it's asking you to choose your website theme and structure. So you can actually preview this on this section here. You can choose the different themes that you have and preview how that's going to look, and just essentially look at the different options. So for example, if you choose the ocean theme, there's 3 ways in this theme is being used. This has more of a light mode kind of theme, and this one is using more of the accent color theme as well, and the structure is a little bit different. So you just want to go through and just see which one works best for you. We are going to go with this one here, and then you just want to click on next. The next thing you want to do is write your company name. And now you want to describe your company. This will help input a few keywords on your website and let your AI engine sort of transfer them into a compelling description. What you can actually do is enhance it with AI as well. So if you describe your company, so type in a brief description and then click on Enhance with AI to enhance the text that you have. So you can see it's created a bit more better text as well. So you can read through that and see if it's okay. You can edit it, add new things, remove things like that. So they do have that AI tool to generate your text as well, and we'll look a little bit more about that as well. So we're going to click next, and we are going to type in 3 main services that we can provide. And you just want to input in all of the features that you may have and the services that you want to offer. And this will all help the AI build a site that's completely unique to you with your content and your services. So choose a tone of voice for content, either it's informal or formal. We will stick with formal and just click finalize. So now you need to just create your account. You can either sign up with Google or sign up just with your website and preview your website. So it's really easy if you sign up with your Google or sign up just with the account here. And you can see the AI work its magic, creating all of your websites, creating your pages, preparing a layout, and just doing all of these things one by one. So you're not starting off from scratch. You are starting with a base template that we can go in later and customize, but it's all using the AI, it's all using the content that you've just given it, and creating a website that's closest to your needs and your services as well. So it saves a lot of time and also adds that personality as well. And that's it. Your website was successfully created with AI, and all we're going to do now is preview and edit. And now we have our website here. So you can see with the website, it's got our services content here, it's got our copy, and it's got this layout that we've chosen. It obviously needs a little bit of work. We can need to add our logo, we need to add our content as well, but from a base perspective, it's a really well designed modern layout of our website. To kind of show you a little bit about how the editor works, at the bottom here you've obviously got the made by 10web, and this will take you to the website as well for 10web. And bottom here as well, you've got the responsive icons. So you can view the website on desktop and mobile, so you can see exactly how it is on mobile as well, which is really good as more and more people nowadays are coming onto websites on mobile. So it's really important that you make your website, every single part of your website, functional on mobile as well. Then you've got these three icons here. So this one will give you an option to try the AI Builder Pro free for 7 days. This will allow you to use the drag and drop editor and the AI builder and all of that as well. Then you have quick customizations. So this is basically choosing the font and color brand. We stuck with forest in the beginning, but if you did want to go in and change some of the colors as well and font, you can do that. It just makes a really quick customizations quite easily. And then you have the actual web builder. So you can see we've got the web builder and we've got the basic kind of structure. As you can see, so you may recognize some of these settings here. The 10web editor actually uses Elementor. And Elementor is a really popular WordPress page builder plugin that allows users to create and customize their website using a drag and drop interface. 10web editor is built on top of Elementor, which means that it offers all of the features and functionality of Elementor, plus some additional features and integrations. So for example, 10web editor includes the AI assistant that we're going to talk about in a bit. With the Elementor layout, you will find 10web editor very easy to use. Interface is very similar, and all of the Elementor widgets and elements are available in the 10web editor. But if you're not even if you're not familiar with Elementor, you can still learn to use the 10web editor really quickly and easily. It's very straightforward. It's split into basic widgets. You have your text, you have text editors, headers, you have images, all of which can be edited. They all look like this. And then you've got the more general ones like toggles, social icons, and things like that. So now let's talk about the AI generator as well. So we've already generated our whole website with the AI generator, but now what we can also do is generate some text. So for example, if we hover over this section here, you can see there's a regenerate section there for all the text, and what that means is basically you can regenerate some of the text that's come up. So for example, if we click on regenerate here, we can change the tone of the language. We can decide if we want the tone to be more formal, friendly, if you want to make it longer, make it shorter, simplify the language, etc. So for example, let's change the tone of it to be a bit more playful. And all the other AI generators work similar to the Elementor one. So let's take a look at the Elementor AI generators. So now that you have your website all created, it's really just now time to launch your website. You can see in the overview, you can already check if you have your page speed score okay, plugin themes, updates, all of that. So what you can do now is essentially just pick a plan to host your website. So at this point you will need to choose one of the plans as we talked about. There's business, e-commerce, there's also agency. If you are an agency, it gives you a lot more options in terms of how many websites that you have. And all you want to do is just select one of the plans. As mentioned before, there's more of a discount if you were to use an annual plan, but you can try it for like a month and then see if that works for you and then switch to a plan. What's really good about 10Web is that all of the plans allow you to try free for 7 days. It is quite a short time to trial something, but you do get to trial one of the more expensive plans for about a week and see if that works for you as well. Even before you go to launch, it's something that I recommend doing while you're building your website to make use of all the features as well. But once you have selected a plan, you just want to go through and fill in your details, and then you'll get a notification of when you'll be charged and your payment plans, and that's it. That is your website ready to launch with 10Web. And that's a wrap on our video on editing our website. In the next video, we'll talk a little bit more about using the AI generators and then launching our 10Web AI website. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and any questions or comments, leave them in the section below. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.